Every business needs resources, but how they scale depends on their model. Let's look at the difference between capital and labor-intensive businesses. To understand where a company spends its money, we have to look at whether it relies more on machines or people. Choosing between machines or people changes everything about how a business operates and scales over time. Capital-intensive firms spend the majority of their budget on property, plant, and equipment, while labor-intensive firms prioritize payroll expenses. Capital-intensive businesses often enjoy a moat because the cost of entry is so high that new competitors struggle to keep up. Labor-intensive businesses are more agile. They can pivot quickly by changing their workforce, though they remain vulnerable to rising wages. In service sectors, labor costs can easily represent 70% of total operating expenses, making human capital the company's biggest asset. Remember, neither model is inherently better. It all comes down to how a business delivers value to its customers. Thanks for watching. If this helped you visualize business models, hit that subscribe button and save this video for later.